want to go?
Denise is blind. So Ridley's guide dog helps her take her to places. We had to stay back from Ridley so she doesn't get distracted. So Ridley could work. Ridley helps keep her safe.
That I got to feel the Braille books.
And what did you learn?
I learned that the helping dogs help the person to look where they're going. Ridley had he was at home for 4 years, and he had dogs for 4 years. When Willie's at home, he gets to be a workly dog because his harness is off. So there's a girl who came in and had a guide dog, and when a guide dog is working, you can't touch them because it might get distracted and it might go the wrong way. And when the girl is, and if you have a guide dog and you're walking on the street and the girl says go, even though they stop, the dog doesn't go.